Mukamar started on January 6th, 2016. But I'll take you back to why that particular day. So one night before that, I was in a car being chased by 6 bikers on 3 different bikes. And I would, start overspeeding and they would overspeed with me. And suddenly I found myself rolling down the window and screaming at them. And they just fled. And I realized much later I had actually scared them away by just shouting. And I thought, what made me shout? Because it's not the first time this has happened with me. It's very, very frequent. And then I realized that it was because of the martial arts training that I had been taking, which made me feel कि मैं छोटी हूँ कद में, लेकिन कमज़ोर नहीं हूँ. So that's where it started, and I thought, I've got this. अब हम यही करेंगे. अब हम लड़कियों को मार्शल आर्ट सिखाएंगे. When we started, it was only about the 5 girls on the beach. Automatically, they became 80 and 100 girls on the beach. We started the program in the first school, which was Juhu Gandhi Gram School, which was done through Nagrik Satta organization.
We were like at a very singular number of schools, less students, and in not 6 to 8 months we have moved to 1700 students, 33 schools. We have good number of trainers, and you can see the changes the trainers are also going through. So this whole transition is like visible at every possible step.
A lot of us, when we do want to give back to the society, but we just don't know how, where to start it from. And she started this organization, so it was an opportunity for me to join this organization and give back to the society. To be able to fight back in any given situation is very important for women these days, especially for little girls. So self-defense was a brilliant way to inculcate that thing in the girls. But when we started working with these little girls, very soon we realized that more than the self-defense, we were giving them self-confidence.
When I see these girls from the time that they had started, कोई एक सवाल पूछे तो सब एक लड़कियां एक दूसरे को देखें. They would not answer me directly. Initially जो इंसान चुप रहता था, पीछे रहता था, पीछे खड़ी जो रहती थी लड़की, shy होती थी, उंगली चबाती थी, वो आज लड़की आती है. She is able to interact. She is able to face public. When they walk on the road, they can walk confidently. They can stand tall.
From saying कि दीदी हम वहाँ कैसे जाएंगे, हम तो कभी गए नहीं, to one day saying दीदी हम लोग नाला सोपारा वाले competition में part ले रहे हैं, and 6 to 8 girls without parents got the permission. They went, they took a train, वो नाला सोपारा जाके अपना competition खेल के आए. Girls in school traveling all the way to नाला सोपारा, getting permission for it, getting family support. I think it's phenomenal.
पुराने ज़माने में ऐसा होता था कि लड़कियों को बाहर नहीं जाना है, लड़कियों को ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनने हैं. अब तो मेरी मम्मी के माइंड में पूरा चेंज आ गया है. पहले मैं किधर भी जाती थी तो मम्मी लोग के साथ में लेके जाती थी. अभी मैं ना अकेले ही जा सकती हूँ. रात को 10 बजे के बाद भी जा सकती हूँ मैं. जो पेरेंट्स है जो लड़कियों को घर के अंदर रखते हैं, उन्हें कहते हैं कि घर से ना बाहर मत निकलना, तो उन पेरेंट्स को मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि हम भी पहले ऐसे ही थे और अब बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ गए.
Women are so strong. They can do stunts, they can do gymnastics, they can do everything possibly. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. We thought that it's a good idea to start with the physical body and make that a means to come to mindsets and let girls see themselves as physically strong people. Now by saying मैं strong हूँ, they become strong.
In the next 5 years, we should be able to, teach all the schools that come under MCGM. Not just that, but the program should also expand beyond Mumbai.
I always see a chain. I see 4 lives, which then take 4 lives on, which then take 4 lives on, and exponential growth in terms of committedness to community, because it affects all of us. Whatever little change we create, we definitely reap the benefits of it, whether or not we realize.